Hey, hey. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who do not know, my name is Patty. Hence the name of my channel, Phenomenally Patty. And this vlog is my Dirty 30 birthday trip to Cabo. We actually made it, so I'm gonna run it back so y'all can see our little travel introduction into the evening. We at the airport.
It is a great mistake to confuse it with nothingness. It is rather to be thought of as space, or like space, because space is not empty. It contains the whole universe. And so in the same way, the state of mind of the person who is truly enlightened is not empty. It contains everything.
Shower. She is giving, honey. She is giving everything she needs to give. And then when you come over this way, this is just a private toilet room, and it's got a phone. It's got a phone on the side in case you need to make some phone calls. Alright, let's go on out and see the bedroom. So we have a full-length mirror over here that is behind the door. Yes. We have one dresser. We also have a lovely, lovely closet here. Plenty of room for all of our stuff. Y'all, they got a scale in here. They know they mad disrespectful for that. Who checking their way on vacation? This is all inclusive. Don't nobody give a blip. Period. All right, come on in, come on in. We have two double, I think it's a double or queen size beds. Y'all, we got air conditioning. We got air conditioning. Yes, we do. And then we have this lovely balcony that is currently featuring hurricane winds. So I'm gonna open it but cut the sound out because she blowing. Oh, look at this view, it's so beautiful. Cannot wait for the sun to come out tomorrow.
Gosh, back at it again. Hey, hey. In the kitchen whipping, I'm rapping again. Keep on playing, bitch, then I'm stabbing your friend. I'm in the hood, they think I'm back trapping again. Oh my gosh, back at it again. Hey, hey. All my grizzly niggas back in again. Hey, hey. Big up all that on me, packing again. Hey, keep a quarter on me, packing the fence.
Quiver, back at it, count up 100, the rest of it, yeah, my wrist a Titanic,
So y'all, our first day was a day. It was a day, but we made it. We made it in. The hotel is really, really pretty. We have had, you know, a little bit of issues with being told, you know, what time things close and get there, and things were already closed, and you know, we've been noticing some things, and I'll add all that in at the end, because right now I'm tired. Ready to get into bed. So we'll see y'all for day 2.
Sounds hourglasses.
Good morning, y'all. We just finished up breakfast and we're about to get dressed. The weather is so much better today, so we're about to get dressed and then go to the beach and continue to do what we do. Hey, 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 hey.
You gotta be Patty, yeah. Patty, you better act like you about to be 30. You a grown ass woman.
So my friends trying to kill me. They said I gotta take a shot. Y'all say I gotta take a shot every hour. This my victory lap day.
At minimum.
They gonna kill me. We made it to the sister resort, Rose. It's so cute.
Looking at a legend in the flesh. Fresh about to kick to the check. Blow for the key on the set. Hold up. Pose. Beavers in the chain looking wet. Deposit ain't hit the count yet. Shit ain't verified, I'm a chick. Hold up. Pose.
Checking on my schedule just to see when you're in town.
That's not, I didn't order a hot dog.
I did.
Oh. I think it's
Go. All right now. Did you get me? I got your hand on the phone. Y'all, we so fat. This is fat. This is fat.
Alright, I'm gonna do a video and post it to my story and tag it.
Let's go. Come on now.
Taking a joke.
Alright. 1, 2, 3. So I'm tipsy and got back. My friends made me take a shot. I did shower and we have a reservation tonight. I can't wait for y'all to see this place. It's so cute. The reviews are so good. When we got here and we got to the airport and we were talking to, I don't know what you call the gentleman's position, and he was just showing us the area on the map, where to go, what places were safe. So he was asking us if we need any information about restaurants. So when you told him about the restaurant we were going to tonight, he paused, y'all. He was like, how did you hear? How did you know about this? Yeah, we're not your average hoes, okay? We're different. We're sophisticated, ratchet. We can do both. All of the things. So now I'm about to get dressed and head on out to dinner. So we are dressed. Look at my friend, she's so cute. And we are getting ready to head to our dinner reservation. I'm so excited. This restaurant is beautiful.
Yes. Raw sushi bar.
Period.
Period.
over here the smoke the spice for you, señorita. Okay, are you ready? Okay, here we go. Dos y tres. Take it,
Thank you.
my pleasure.
It really is. So they got me drunk, even though I didn't want to be drunk. And I'm 30 years old. And we just got some burger. You want to see my burger? Got my burger and I'm about to go to bed. We about to watch some killer shit. So guys, I am officially 30. Last night was fun, had a really good time. As I'm sure y'all saw, this morning I was struggling. However, after some hot tea, I made it up to be by the pool with my sister. And now we're about to eat and drink and relax until dinner tonight.
Checking out my schedule just to see when you're in town. Only time for you when your body is around. Got the type of love and I can't wait to throw it down.
Wait, how you do that? Oh, right. How you do that?
I'm taking a video, ladies.
Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need.
You just got that sunshine, moonlight, yeah, good times.
So the place we went to dinner last night was absolutely amazing. The scenery, the atmosphere, the staff. I mean, you had people coming to you left and right. The food was absolutely amazing. We honestly got full after we had appetizers. The drinks were so good and the presentation was beautiful. Most of us could not finish our entrees because we were stuffed. The fire show was dope. Like, we felt like we were in Mexico, but like somewhere else. It was an amazing experience, a really fun atmosphere. If you're doing a birthday or anniversary here, you need to go to that restaurant. Like 10/10, recommend. We did have some issues with the checks at the end, but I'm not sure if it was because of a language barrier or just trying to get everything itemized. So that did take a while to handle. So I would just say, if you're going, leave extra room in your itinerary for that in case there's a mix-up. And now it is our last full day. We're getting ready to go to breakfast at one of the sister resorts, and then we're going on a boat, a yacht. This restaurant is another gem. The mimosas are fire. The food is absolutely amazing.
And the service.
And the service, impeccable. It is officially boat time.
You see.
Final night.
Yep.
Yes. And we are getting ready to head out and drink.
I'm twerking my fucking balls. I'm ready to run it. Left and right. Hey, 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 hey.
Hey y'all, so we have left Cabo. We are back in the US. I was too toe up last night to talk, to communicate. Honestly, my stomach is still bubbly. But we have a super long connecting in Phoenix, so we decided to rent a car and just look around and explore beautiful Phoenix.
You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Waiting, hitting you the DM, looking falling. Talking while you come around and now they silent. Flew the Cooper 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. They ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit.
We stopped to look at the beautiful sunset.
Sounds for glasses.
Hey y'all, so I've made it back to the DMV area. We had a really long connection between Phoenix and coming back to DC. We landed in Phoenix, I believe it was like almost 3 o'clock their time, and we got back here. Our next flight was at 11. It was supposed to be 11:45, but it got pushed to like 11:50 something. And we landed back in DC at 7 in the morning. There was a time difference, so it was only a 4-hour flight. So we had a really good time while we were in Phoenix exploring. Y'all, I don't think the pictures and the videos do it justice. Phoenix was absolutely beautiful. That sunset, and I couldn't show y'all the moon because I didn't have my camera. The moon, that was the biggest full orange moon I have ever seen in my life. We were driving down the street and I was like, is that part of a building? I was like, no, it's the moon. So honestly, y'all, I had an amazing birthday trip. It was a great mix of activities, but also rest. And it was wonderful. I really enjoyed myself. I enjoyed the slow moments. I enjoyed the lit moments. I was really happy that I did not get drunk to the point that I missed any activities, because I told myself I will not. I will not end up in a hotel room all day long while I am on vacation. Will not, shall not. And mission was accomplished. I was nice to just be in the moment and soak everything up. It was just like, I don't know. I had some really great moments of gratitude to be able to go, to be able to spend that type of bread, to be on a yacht, to have those type of fine dining experiences. It was truly amazing. I'm glad everything worked out with the weather. It was a great time. So I'm going to actually end this vlog here, but I am going to show you real quick what I got from Mexico. And I will be doing a birthday vlog part 2 because I played hooky with Danielle because we are 10 days apart. So we're doing our own little celebration together. And then I'm celebrating with my DMV friends that didn't go on the trip as well. And getting into some more shenanigans this weekend. So I was like, let's split this thing up. Okay, let's split it up into 2 different vlogs. So I'm going to show y'all what I got from Mexico. So I'm not sure if you guys remember the clip of the gift shop that was at the resort, but these are actually handmade glass hearts that are made by a local artist in Mexico. I found out about these prior to going because in my nature, I, stalked the resort since we booked in February, and I was like, I absolutely have to support this because they're absolutely beautiful. And I think it's dope that he's been able to create these and not feed his family off of it for a living. Like, that's dope. And then this cute little pepper here, this was actually the chopstick holders that were on the table at Arbol at the restaurant. So it's funny because my sister and I took the ones that were on the table at Tao in New York. So I was like, Addie, this is about to be our thing. We just about to be taking these intricate chopstick holders from fine dining restaurants. But she actually asked the waiter because she was like, hey, I ain't trying to get locked up in Mexico. And he was like, yeah, that's fine. I didn't see anything. Say less. How cute. And also, this right here is my absolutely favorite bottle of tequila. I actually fell in love with it the first time I went to Mexico, and with my sister we went to Cancun and did a tasting, and I was like, I'm obsessed with this. Thank you, Drea, for getting me this bottle, girl. This is a special occasion bottle, so if you come to my crib, unless something major happen, I don't really drink it. You get a new job, something amazing happens in your life, this is when that comes out, okay? Very, very smooth. It's actually about to go into the fridge because it's amazing. Also, Drea got me this bottle of whiskey. So this is not from Mexico. This is actually from New York. And it is A$AP Rocky's whiskey. And y'all, it is good. It is so good. It is smooth. It does got a little bite to it, but y'all, we had one shot of this at 3-something in the morning as we were getting ready to head out to the airport. And baby, I can tell you, this is like a 2 or 3 and done. You pour you a little cup with one of them big chunks of ice and you are set for the night. I really, really like this. So yeah, guys, the resort was amazing. What I really loved about the resort is that there are 5 or 6, maybe even more, sister properties. And because we were staying at Pacifica, the adult only one, we had access to all of the sister resorts, which were relatively close by. There were a couple that you had to actually get on a little shuttle to get to versus like the little carts or whatever. And your all-inclusive still works at those sister resorts. Okay, I did think the adult only was going to be a little bit more lively, a little bit more but actually one of the sister resorts we went to was more lit. It was rosé, and I was like, y'all got kids here, but I get it. You probably need it. Yes. So I love that you can literally go to completely different resorts. Each resort has its own theme, its own atmosphere and decor, all for the same coin. You can't do that often, so I absolutely love that. And just keep in mind to be patient with people, especially when there's language barriers, because even if somebody is speaking English to you, it doesn't mean that they're fluent and that they know all of the words, right? So just take your time and be patient. And yeah, a wonderful time. I do recommend the resort. And yeah, so get ready for part 2, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. If you have made it to this point, if you have subscribed, I love you. For real. Thanks for watching. See you in the next vlog.